Special session gets underway today in Olympia. Ahead of that session, state lawmakers unveiled a possible compromise on a new drug law. The bill would make knowingly possessing or publicly using drugs a gross misdemeanor on the first offense. The penalty would be up to 180 days in jail or a fine. After 2 drug convictions, jail time could increase to nearly a year. Under the current law, which expires in July, people can only be arrested for drug possession on their 3rd offense. Democrats say the Senate plans to vote on it today. No word this morning on the plan in the House.
So you might be wondering, why is drug possession becoming legal in the first place? To help us understand how we got here, we have to go back to 2016 and meet this woman, Shannon Blake. She bought a pair of jeans at a thrift store. She was the possible suspect in a series of car thefts. She denied the drugs belonged to her, drugs found in her back pocket. She testified at trial saying she got the jeans from a friend. The court didn't buy it in the end, and she was found guilty of drug possession. But she appealed her case all the way to the state Supreme Court, and justices reversed that decision, saying you can't charge someone with a felony for not knowing they had drugs in their possession. The court ordered the legislature to come up with a fix, and then in that ruling, immediately throwing a wrench in the legal system. Within hours, police stopped arresting people for drug possession, and people with pending drug charges were released from jails, and charges were dismissed. In 2021, the state legislature then came up with a fix. Make it a misdemeanor to have drugs, not a felony. But that temporary fix expires July 1st, and lawmakers then, with the Blake decision in mind, get to today with a special session. Lawmakers back in Olympia this morning try to come up with a permanent fix about criminalizing drug possession. Maybe Republicans, some of them want to go full felony again on drug possession. Democrats, some of them want to decriminalize drugs altogether. Neither of those are likely to happen. How are they going to meet in the middle? It's likely going to be a misdemeanor crime. We'll see as the first vote expected later this morning about this drug possession law we talked so much about.
Well, we weren't sure if a special session would be called for lawmakers to come back to try to come up with a compromise before July 1st. So there's a number of cities already that have passed their own drug possession laws, like Marysville, Federal Way, Bellingham. I believe the city of Everett was also looking into that, Lakewood. So they're taking their matters into their own hands and having their own ordinances. Naturally,
it's impossible to think that drug possession would be fully legal in the state of Washington. Nobody wants that.
Yeah.